welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we're gonna unbox my Roch 85 liters 2-door fridge. As you can see, it's a mini fridge. Its height, it's up to my waist. So here goes.
Oracle de Delphes, un serment de la montagne. Ça m'est égal à mon ayo fatalité nanga. Oyangana ye moto kokotate. Oyangana ye zali liberamu. Bolimo yo nzambe na sangisi. Oyangana choisi destination exate. Oyangana ye zali pour des jours indéfinis, d'éternité en éternité. Oyangana ye moto kokotate. Oyangana ye zali liberamu. Bolimo yo nzambe na sangisi. Oyangana choisi destination exate. Oyangana ye zali pour des jours indéfinis, en éternité, en éternité. Oyangana choisi mon doigt kotate. Lovanga na matate zali peramu. Bolingo yo nzambe na sangisi. Oyangana ye destination exate.
Ta-da, my 2-door. As you can see, I've just unboxed and its color is gray, and I'd love to show you the freezer part and this other compartment so that you can see. So this is the freezer part and then the lower compartment. This is how it looks like. Small but the best. As you can see, it has 2 shelves, and then these are the lower compartment. You can just put your veggies and yeah, and I can see that there is a manual here, so maybe we try to have a look at it. So there is this here for ice cubes. Disperse water, then put it in the freezer. This one is for eggs, and then my manual is here. So the fridge comes with a 1-year warranty, as indicated.